Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to record a voiceover in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects. We can select one that we want to work on. We just tap on it. And after that, in the bottom bar, we find the audio icon. After we tapped on this, then in the bottom right corner, there is record. If you tap on the record button, we can record the voiceover that suits the video and basically talk about something that we want to share. Before that, we have to tap or press and hold the little button in the middle to record the voiceover. After the voiceover is done, we just tap on OK and it is going to be saved. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.